it's part of their job description to stop us from having fun. Not my mother, though. Oh, no, she was different. You know what my mother used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers in the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chip your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tongue before you crunch. You can play with your food while hiding. It's a crazy little game called lunch. Tell me, Ducky, what would you like to play? It can be anything at all. I won't tell your mother. Anything?
Well, I'd like to paddle the paddles down the mud, chicks to go back in the shallows. And maybe it's time to slide inside to the marsh and find marshmallows. Oh, go and slay a dragonfly, watch water boatmen race. To say the cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty. Where are you, Ducky? Am I getting warmer? You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chip your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play with